In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create FPS lag effect in CapCut. This look recreates a choppy, low frame rate stutter that's perfect for gaming highlights, dramatic moments, or glitchy transitions. I'll keep it clear and simple so you can follow along and get the exact vibe you want. Start by opening CapCut and heading into the editor so you can see your timeline. If you're greeted by a home screen, just enter your editing workspace. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see the track area where clips sit and the preview window above it. Next, add your video. Bring the clip you want to work on into the timeline so it plays in the preview. If your project has multiple clips, select the one you want to stylize so the effect goes exactly where you intend. It helps to play the clip once and mentally mark the moment where a stutter would feel impactful, often on a beat drop, a quick camera move, or a sudden action. Now, open Effects. On desktop, you'll find Effects in the top toolbar above the timeline. On mobile, it appears in the bottom menu. When the Effects panel opens, use the search bar and type FPS Lag. This pulls up the specific effect designed to mimic dropped frames. If you prefer browsing, you'll typically find it under video effects categories related to stylized or glitchy looks. Click or tap it to see a quick preview in the panel. Apply the effect to your clip. Once you select it, the effect appears as a layer over your video in the timeline. Drag the edges of that effect layer to control its duration. Short bursts create punchy rhythmic stutters, while a longer span produces a sustained, low FPS feel. With the effect selected, adjust its settings in the inspector or side panel. Most versions let you tune how strong the stutter feels and how frequently frames drop. Start subtle and increase gradually so motion remains readable. Use the playhead to preview and fine-tune the timing. If you only want the stutter on a specific action, align the start right before the movement and end it as the moment resolves. For a clean before and after comparison, toggle the effect on and off while parked at the same frame. Play the section back in real time to confirm it matches your music and pacing. When it feels right, you're done. That's all you need to create the FPS lag effect in CapCut. Open the editor, add your video, search for FPS lag in effects, and apply and adjust it until it lands perfectly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy crafting those crisp, stylized stutters.